Yo family, what is good, y'all? Man, I'd like to welcome you guys right back to the channel. Y'all, before we get started, let me give y'all my deepest apologies, man. I haven't posted in a while just based on we had the flooding last week, and that kind of really threw off my groove. Now, personally, I was not affected by the flood at all, but trying to get around to these stores and do certain things, I just couldn't because certain freeways were shut off, and they just had a lot of stuff going on. So we back. Today, we're gonna head straight into another store of mine out here in Northpark Mall. Forgive me, Urban Outfitters. Every time I go in this store, it's like, I don't know, it's like the t-shirts they always have something in the store that attracts me, that I like out this store, whether it's shirts, whether it's hoodies, whether it's hats. They always got some fly, dope stuff in this store, man. So today we're gonna go in here and check them out, see what they have. Y'all come along with your boy. that was Urban Outfitters, man. I don't know why this money truck behind me. Maybe that's good luck or something. But that was Urban Outfitters. Today I didn't really see I'm not gonna lie, the graphic tees were pretty dope. I had a few flannels in there, but other than that, like, I've been in the store other times and they had other items that catch my eye. So that's for the people who wanted to see that video. Once again, shout out to Urban Outfitters. Still a dope store. It's just besides the graphic tees, it wasn't really much that stood out to me today. But yeah, man, everybody who wanted to see this video, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, give this video a huge thumbs up. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you did like in the video. Once again, man, I appreciate each and every one of y'all for rocking with the channel. Continue to rock with the channel. You guys have all been a blessing, man. I pray that y'all enjoy y'all day. I'm out.